Thank you very much, Secretary Lapus, for your introduction. Secretary Boboy Sihuko, our hosts in this location, Congressman Rojas and Mayor Trinidad. Ambassador Hasisi of Malaysia, thank you for being here. At sa inyong lahat, ating mga kapatid na Muslim na naririto, sa lahat ng Muslim ng Pilipinas, lahat ng Pilipinong hindi Muslim, Assalamualaikum at Blessed Ramadan. Congratulations sa mga kabataang Muslim na nakatapos ng mga training sa ilalim ng programang Alive. Ang ganda naman ng programa ninyong Alive, Buhay na Buhay. Or Arabic Language and Islamic Values Education ng DepEd na sinundan ng Skills Training. New and better collection have put the Philippines on a path to permanent, sustainable economic growth and stability. We are committed to consolidating the gains in new revenue by making long overdue investments in physical and human infrastructure. This includes, along with billions of pesos for new bridges, roads, and ports, billions of pesos for education, healthcare, and training. In training, halos 8 milyong katao ang nakatapos sa iba't ibang training program sa ating administrasyon. Double the number in the previous 14 years. Hangad natin, kayo mga kabataan, matuto ng makasanayang magagamit para sa inyong kinabukasan. Pinaggastosan natin ang iba't ibang training programs, kabilang ang maikling pagsasanay na pagpapakitaan agad. Tulad ng pananahi, may nakita akong dressmaking dito. Sabi ni Boboy, maganda ang mga opportunity. O pag-ayos ng buhok, sana maganda rin ang opportunity doon. Yung fini-phase out na natin yung caregiving, kasi sobra na ang supply. Kaya yung mga hindi makakuha ng trabaho sa caregiving ngayon, pumasok kayo muli sa ibang klaseng training. Dahil marami pang iba. Yung mga mas mahahabang programa tulad ng welding, automotive, cellphone repair, na malaki ang demand sa labas ng bansa. At mga kursong vocational o technical, kabilang na ang skills upgrading. Eto, alas 10 tayo nagsimula ng programa, pero anong oras nagsimula itong jobs fair? 8 o'clock. Sabi ni Secretary Lapo sa akin, ilan na dyan ay nakakuha na ng trabaho. Diyan sa call centers, meron na nakakuha ng trabaho. This is an auspicious way of celebrating the first days of Ramadan. Kasisimula ng Ramadan. And I want to use this opportunity to deliver to all of you our deepest prayer na sana'y maging daan ang Ramadan towards achieving peace and quiet in the whole nation. I would like to take this opportunity to assure you that the highest respect shall be accorded to our Muslim brothers and sisters during the month of Ramadan. I would like to assure you that the law enforcement activities in Mindanao shall give the utmost consideration to the unhampered observance of Ramadan by peace-loving and law-abiding Muslims. Marami kayo ay kabataang Muslim ng Metro Manila at kapaligid, Cavite hanggang Pampanga. At marami sa inyo o magulang ninyo ay lumikas mula sa Mindanao. Mindanao continues to feed you even if you are here in Manila. Mindanao is a food basket of the Philippines. But the sad irony of Mindanao as food basket is that it has some of the highest hunger in our nation. Yun siguro ang isang dahilan kung bakit kayo, pamilya ninyo, ay lumipat dito. Mindanao has the large fields of the highest productivity, yet it also has the majority of our 10 poorest provinces. The prime reason is the endless Mindanao conflict.